Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a password for Microsoft Outlook, email, Office 365. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Microsoft website, and then you need to click on your profile picture on the top right. After that, you need to click on view account, and now you will be redirected to Microsoft settings. You need to click on the three lines on the top left, and then you need to navigate to security. After that, you will be prompted to verify yourself by entering your PIN or your password. After that, you will be redirected to this dashboard. You need to click on manage how I sign in. Now from this menu, you can actually add a two-step verification process. You need to click on manage. So now I'll see from here, one of the steps is to create app passwords for apps and devices. So you need to click on next. And now you need to download the Microsoft Authenticator app. Now you need to click on Get It Now. As you see from here, to complete the two-factor authentication without any problem, you need to go back to manage your account security, and you need to click on add another way to sign into your account. After that, you need to click on use an app. Now it will prompt you to get Microsoft Authenticator app. After you click on Get It Now, it will redirect you to this page. You need to scan this QR code from the app. After you do, your account will be added, and you need to click on Done. Now go back to this screen and hit on Next. As you see, after you click on Finish, the process will be finished and you will be all set. Now after enabling the two-step verification, if you scroll down on the same page as you from here, you will find app passwords. You can actually click on create a new app password, and now as see from here, it tells you that use this app password to sign in. So you can enter the app password below in the password field of the app or device that can't accept security codes. If you're not sure how to update your app or device with an app password, you can actually follow this guide I see from here from Microsoft, and this is the app password to use. If you want another password than this, you can just click on create another app password and it will generate you a new app password. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.